Sofi, fintech disruptor or financial flop. Let's cut through the hype and see if it deserves a spot in your portfolio. First, understand what Sofi is. It's a one-stop shop for financial services, loans, credit cards, investing, and even banking. This diversification is a strength, but also makes analysis complex. Now, look at the numbers. Revenue growth has been impressive, but is it sustainable? Focus on their net income. Are they actually making money or burning through cash? Compare Sofi to its competitors. Is it outperforming the market? Consider metrics like loan origination volume and membership growth to gauge its competitive edge. Next, be aware of the risks. The fintech sector is volatile and susceptible to economic downturns. Regulatory changes and increasing competition could also impact Sofi's future. Do your own research. Read Sofi's investor relations materials, listen to earnings calls, and understand their long-term strategy. Don't just rely on headlines. Remember, this isn't financial advice. Sofi has potential, but it also carries risks. Weigh the pros and cons carefully before investing. Consult a financial advisor to make a decision that fits your risk profile.